Omnipol company is a very famous company in the Czech Republic as well as abroad because we have a long tradition since 1934. The company started as an importing and exporting company, and since then we built up a strong group of companies focused on, first of all, on military and security business. Omnipol today is first of all system integrator. We provide complete solutions to our customers in Czech Republic as well as abroad. We have customers in all continents and supply to more than 60 countries worldwide. We own 3 daughter companies. One of them is ERA company. The other one is company CLS. It's a smaller integrator of systems for aircrafts. Yes, Omnipol is always looking to have new products in our portfolio and to attract new customers. One example of many is just this Primoco UAV for various security monitoring, industry monitoring. It can help during natural disasters, and also it can help with communication services. It can carry also communication applications. Payload of this UAV is 10 kilograms. Speed is up to 100 kilometers per hour and exceptional range of more than 400 kilometers.
Our company develop and produce so-called passive surveillance systems mostly. These systems are based on the unique principle, which is called time difference of arrival, hyperbolic principle. And based on that, this system is still unique all over the world. There exists kind of passive system, but this system, due to this passive principle, is still unique, and we deliver now the systems even to NATO. This principle and this system were developed during the, let's say, Cold War for Eastern Bloc, against mostly countermeasures which are used against traditional radars. Main advantage is system is passive, doesn't transmit anything, it's invisible for the enemies. Compared to active radar, system is very precise compared to other passive systems, so it's possible to fuse information from the passive system with the active. So these 2 platforms really increase, let's say, survivability of the radar network. Also, you actually have 2 capabilities in one system. One is surveillance, like from radar, and the second is identification of that aircraft, which isn't possible to do by active radar only. We use this principle not only for military, but also for civilian product, let's say, but for military purposes, system is still very unique.
The company was established in 1997. Since that, we have evolved in a company which is one of the major suppliers of both the avionics as well as modernization programs in Central Europe. Our company has been involved in upgrade programs for the Czech Air Force, Slovakian Air Force. We have been involved in specific programs for the Polish Ministry of Interior. What I'd like to stress is that CLS has a unique capability in upgrading of the former Soviet Union platforms as well as the Czech platforms like L-39, Antonov 26, Mi-17, the other MiG-21. So this is our specialization. But on the other side, CLS also is capable of working on the Western platforms, which we have done, in fact, in last 2 years. Česká letecká servisní is a holder of the ISO 9001 certificates as well as the EASA Part 145 certificate and EASA Part 21 certificate. Therefore, due to having all these certificates, we are very much also involved in various services and upgrade programs on the commercial airplanes in Czech Republic, Slovakia, and we are currently trying to penetrate also other markets. CLS company represents some very well-known major avionics manufacturers of the world. One of them is Rockwell Collins, the other one is Honeywell, Bendix King, and Garmin. We have a very fruitful cooperation with these. Currently, we are exhibiting here the Garmin G500 system, which is very good for installation into the small airplanes, small private airplanes, or general aviation airplanes. Besides that, of course, we are also representing the companies which supply a special system like the forward-looking infrared, also the digital maps, and also the garments and various ancillaries for the pilots.